It hurts so much when you take it off, especially if you have baby hairs like I do. And of course I was just recording everything and I didn't press record. This video is mainly created to show you how to maximize a mini skein set. Now this particular mini skein set is from Teal Torch Knits. I'll link her info in the description box below. Go ahead and follow her on Instagram and leave a little note saying that LIMON sent you. This whole video is to inspire you and to give you ideas of different methods and different techniques and different ways of viewing a mini skein set. So all of the yarn is wound up with their matching or corresponding colorway, a tonal with the speckled yarn. I was just going to use a solid black to keep this all together, but then when I was at Joann's, look at what I found. I literally found a colorway that matches the tires. You know how it's like gray and black, gray and black. The poncho is to show you how you can mix it with a big box store yarns, just in case it's one of those mini skein sets that doesn't have that much yardage. You can literally just get a Karen 1-pounder, which is what I did, and mix it in. Quick update, because I'm going to undo this. This is after using 3 of the 6 speckled colorways, because remember, there are tonals and there are speckles, so I already used 3 of them. And this is 8 rows of the speckle yarn. I can already tell that this is going to be way too big if I do this individual sections of all the colors. And I think what I'm going to do is actually, I'll probably end up taking 2 rows off, so 2 speckle, 2 tonal, 2 speckle, because then I'll be able to include all 6 colorways as I do this part. And by the time I do 6, so double of this, that should be a great length for the body. If I were to fold it over, it would be something like that, which as itself already, like, that looks really, really cool. I really enjoy how the silhouette is coming along now and how the black is interacting with the colorway. Just wanted to bring you in here before I frog all of this and do what I just described going up here. Welcome back, everybody. So I redid, like I said, this section that I was gonna do, and I added the black in between, and I think this turned out so much better, this whole striping effect of the garment. I'm just gonna work on this border a little bit more, and then I'll bring you guys right back. And in a cruel twist of fate, guys, all I wanted to do was to switch having this to the bottom part of the poncho as opposed to the collar, so it wouldn't clash with my cowl and I can wear them both. And I accidentally pulled too much, and look, oh no. Now I know, lesson learned, always cut your yarn when you're done with a section. Now I have to undo this whole entire thing. So let's finally finish the poncho. In order to create this design, you make one large rectangle, and then you just pick 2 sides, one long, one short, and you kind of make like an L, and then you grab one side. For me, it's my right side. Bring it over until the point is directly in front of you. But then you bring over the other side and see, you get your neckline there. Line this up. I start from down here and I go in order, 1 stitch into each stitch, because then technically there should be enough to go all the way up. Kind of get like a free scarf as you're doing that. So I'm going to start it down here, close it up, and then, Natasha, what are you doing? I have leftover black yarn, and so once I close it up, everything will be in one piece, and I'm just going to probably just do like this one side black just to give it cohesiveness to the rest of the garment. Cool. So I started the cowl here using some of the leftover speckle yarn. I'm going to do some surface cable crochet on it with my signature diamond or zigzag designs. In the cowl, I'm using the speckled yarn as the background and the colored yarn to make the cables. And then with the hat, it's strictly just the solids or the tonals that are in the mini skeins. So this is what I got so far. You can see it's 3 different specklings on there. And I did want it fitted in the sense that, you know, like even if it crumples up, that looks really, really good. Still get some of that ruffling. So for me, this is good. And also I like a good mouth guard, so if it's covering my mouth, this is actually pretty good for the winter time. Cool, so I actually just did some crisscross right there. Essentially 2 zigzags going over each other. So I might just cycle through all of the colors because that didn't take that much yarn. What I'm trying to just keep in mind is having enough of the color for the beanie, because I do want the beanie to like pop. 5 rows going across the X's, because there's 35 rows going down. 5 colorways, repeat again the brown. That's 5, 6, 7. Does that make sense? Brown is 1, 5 other colorways is 6 in total, and then to end it on the same colorway, which is brown, that's 7. So I'm playing around with shapes just to see what it looks like, but I don't like this. So yeah, I'm gonna undo this. The cowl is officially done. Check that out. And I wanted to focus more on the brown and blue to kind of give this a me aspect, even though lime green is my thing. I had a lot of the teal and the blue left over, so I wanted to like balance out all of the stuff. If I put the cowl on, and I kind of want this to be a nice cool set that goes all together. I actually had enough yarn to do a beanie and wanted to show you what I was playing around with. And check this out. Ooh. I call this my Dripping Colors beanie, and it's just alternating between that is a quadruple crochet, triple crochet, and a double crochet. So whenever it was short, I did a long, and whenever it was long, I did a short. So small, medium, long, medium, long. Sorry, small, medium, long, medium, small. It is looking really, really cool once it stretches out. Check that out. Oh. Scoob, Shaggy, Fred, Velma, Daphne. It may or may not be in the order of my favorite characters of the show. So far, so good. Yay, it is done. Look at that. Check that out. Moment of truth. Oh, it is a perfect fit. It looks so cool. It looks like colors dripping on my head. I like it when it reaches just my eyebrows. That's where I like to frame my face, because then it's not too big and you can just cover up your ears with your hair. Technically one side is tighter than the other. I'm still debating how I want to wear it. I guess I want the tighter side on top. It's so good. But for me, I really wanted something that was more useful in the sense of keeping me nice and warm and protected from the winds. So I really like that. I'm not too upset about that. You can always just like roll it in if you want. And we have the hat. So we got the hat, we have a cowl, and we have a poncho from this whole mini skein set. Isn't that cool, Natash? So yeah, close it up, and then we'll do final reveal for all of this. Isn't that cool, guys? This looks so fun to wear. Hey, guess what? This is the giveaway part of my video. It's gonna be nice and brief. You just have to answer this one question. What are the names of the Mystery Machine Gang? That's your question to answer. Leave a comment down below and I will randomly pick a winner to get 3 amazing prizes. First place winner will get to be able to choose what colorways of hand-dyed yarn they like for me to create a garment for them. And then the other 2 will be designs that I will be creating on myself and I'll be sending them off to you. So leave a comments down below of the names of the characters from the Mystery Machine Gang. Hopefully this video encouraged you to perceive mini skein sets in a whole different light, something in which you can combine it with a big box store and just half double crochet and you get this beautiful capelet shawl. Overall, I got 3 garments out of 1 mini skein set. So we did kind of like the math. If this was over like $50, you make 3 garments and over $50. So I think that's a win. I think this came out really, really cool. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Do you like the hat more, the cowl, or the poncho shawlette? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow Teal Torch Knits one more time on Instagram. And yeah, let her know that I sent you. I believe she's doing a fiber crawl or like a festival, virtual festival. So she will have some mini skein sets during that show. So now you know, and if you do get encouraged to do this, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. All of my info's in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much.